Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So welcome back to my channel, my page. So guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious and nice looking granola. So if you want to know how this is made, keep watching. Also check the description box below for the list of the ingredients. So to a bowl I'll be adding oat cereal. That's your normal oat. This is not old-fashioned oat. And I'll also be adding sugar, nutmeg, and milk flavor. So you're just going to go ahead and mix that to combine, mix thoroughly till everything is well coated. So to that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any type of vegetable oil you have or whatever kind of oil, and mix that up thoroughly to combine, just like what I'm doing here right now. And when that is done, the mixture is done, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in a pot. And you just want to make sure you keep your heat low. Actually place it on a low heat right now. Then you just keep frying, stir fry till it's golden brown. So that's just all it takes. And when you notice your oat is getting sticky to the pot, is actually because of the sugar. You know, when sugar is heated up, it's surely going to melt. So you're just going to scrape it and keep stirring till you get that brown looking oat. So at this point I'll be adding my cashew nuts and my coconut flakes. Then you just want to mix that up, till well combined. So I also added few drops of honey to this mixture, and the reason why I did this is to bind the oatmeal. And if you don't really have honey, actually you can skip it, it's not really mandatory. But the honey can also serve as a sweetener, especially if you don't want to add sugar to your own granola. So at this point you may find it kind of sticky, but it's okay. When you keep stirring, everything will be alright, everything will be coated, as in nicely coated, and you won't really feel that anymore. So the next thing I'll be adding also is raisins, also known as cake fruits, and as you just want to go ahead and mix that up again till everything is well combined. And as you can see guys, our granola is ready for consumption. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. So thank you guys for sticking around with me on today's episode, on today's recipe. So I'll see you guys in my next video. You can enjoy this as it is, or you serve with a parfait. So just whichever way you want it guys. So see you in my next video. Bye.